Well, my name is Kevin Dolly, and I am here at City of Refuge working with Impact Ministries International, building a welding trade school for disadvantaged youth.
We have two doors. This is where metals will come in, into the weld testing area, with a classroom on the very left, the instructor's office, and heading into the AutoCAD room. It's the electrical wiring being added in. Right here will be installed on this wall the main electrical panels. Then we've got a washing area and an eye wash station. We have a very spacious fabrication area. And we have the boys and girls restrooms. One that way, the other here, and over to look out the east side into the compressor room. This is the air compressor room where painting will be able to be completed. We'll go through the fab shop. Against this wall right here, eventually, will be a plasma cutting table. And now we have 12 welding bays that are set up like this one. This one will have a single welder here for multi-process. On this end, we'll have both single-phase and three-phase electrical power out into the shale gas and storage area to finish our tour.
Yes, I'm impressed because the welding school is progressing really well. Now we are working on the first phase in the electrical part, and also the training these whole 10 days were amazing. All the workers were there, they were working together as a team, and also as a team leader, Kevin did an excellent job here for all the workers and for the kids.
Un perro cuando agarra un incapacito, mira cómo agarró, mira cómo lo sacó, y despegado. Lo manejamos en alambre 70S, y el No, solo darle las gracias a Kevin de la institución porque esta semana aprendimos un montón de posiciones de soldadura y estamos muy agradecidos porque ya ahora ya contamos con un nuevo entrenamiento, ¿verdad? Y gracias a Kevin ahí, ¿verdad? Por todo lo que nos viene a enseñar cuando él viene. Y gracias al licenciado también porque siempre nos ha apoyado, y a la licenciada también, ¿verdad? Muchas gracias ¿verdad? Y esto nos sirve a todos, pues. Es una muy bonita experiencia y sigamos adelante, ¿verdad? Porque siempre hay que aprender cosas nuevas. Muchas gracias. Gracias.
Nice. That was very good.
Most of the children that come to IMI, they get one meal at home. When they come to IMI, they've never drank milk before. When they come to IMI, they've never slept on a bed before. They've slept on mud floors. So for them to go from that to a place where somebody like Kevin comes in and says, I'm going to teach you a lifetime skill that can set you up for the rest of your lives, those kids love him. And when you support that, you'll know that there's kids that are going to get certified and that you're helping him to see that these children will be able to have a family and be able to do just the simple things, not even the things that we dream about in America, and that they can go anywhere in the country with what he's training them to do and they can find a job.
Somos los estudiantes de Impacto Ministerial Internacional. Nosotros nos sentimos orgullosos de formar parte de la familia IMI. Gracias por apoyar nuestros sueños y nuestro futuro. Un día muy cercano seremos la nueva generación de soldadores de Honduras. Dios es nuestra luz, nuestra guía y nuestro universo. Nos amamos, we love you.